Hello everyone, how are you all doing there? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to see your poem number 3, Macavity, the Mystery Cat. This is a poem written by T.S. Eliot. This is about a cat that's named Macavity. It's a mystery cat, it is a master criminal, and it is too clever that it doesn't leave any evidence at the site of crime. And even Scotland Yard police is puzzled because of this cat. It defies every possible law, even the law of gravity. It is a ginger colored cat and it's tall and thin and its movements resemble that of a snake's. And it is a devil in the shape of a cat and it is a monster of corruption. And you will find him everywhere, but you wouldn't know that he is a criminal. So this is what we are going to see in today's poem. Let's see what it is. Macavity, the Mystery Cat. This is a poem written by T.S. Eliot. In this poem, the poet describes about a mystery cat who is a criminal, and even the Scotland Yard police is unable to capture this cat. Let us see the speciality of this cat. Do you have a pet cat? Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? It is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery, but Macavity is one for sure. What is it that makes him a perfect mystery cat? Read the poem and find out. So, every cat is not a mystery. It's not a mysterious one, okay? But this particular cat, Macavity, is a mysterious one. Let's see why. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the Hidden Paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair, for when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Macavity, Macavity, there's no one like Macavity. He's broken every human law, he breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare, and when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. Macavity is a ginger cat, he is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought, his head is highly domed. So let's look at the meaning. So what is the name of the cat? It's Macavity, and he is also called as the Hidden Paw. Okay. Why do they have these names for this cat? For he is the master criminal who can defy the law, because he is not just a simple criminal, he is a master criminal. He can defy law. Defy means go against the law, okay, break the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. So we all know about Scotland Yard, okay, they are the best in the entire world, okay. Even Scotland Yard police are not able to capture this cat. He is a surprise to them, he is an astonishment to them. Each time the flying squad goes to capture him, he has already left the scene of the crime. So he is the flying squad's despair. He is a shame to the flying squad because they are unable to capture him. They are worried about it. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So when they try to capture him, when they rush to the spot of crime, he is not there, he has already left. Macavity, Macavity, there's no one like Macavity. He's broken every human law, he breaks the law of gravity. So there is nobody else like Macavity because he has broken every possible human law, every law that is applicable to the human beings, okay? And he also breaks the law of gravity. Let's see how he breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare, and when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So this cat has special powers of levitation. Levitation is floating in the air, okay? So that he is going against the law of gravity and floating in the air. And when he does that, a fakir even is staring at him, because who is a fakir? Fakir is a common man, is a poor man who is on the street. Even he is surprised and he stares. Okay, and when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So again, when you reach the scene of crime, wherever he committed the crime, he won't be there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once again and once again, Macavity is not there. So if you go around searching for him in the basement, the underground, or upstairs or in the air, he won't be there anywhere. He would have already escaped from the scene of crime. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. So why do they call him a ginger cat? Because he is golden in color. He is in the color of the ginger. That's why they call him ginger cat. And what is his structure? He is tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. So it is obvious when you see him across the street or somewhere, you will easily identify him because his eyes are deep set, okay, and his brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed, and his eyebrows are deeply lined because he keeps thinking about different plans and he executes the crimes. Because of that, his eyebrows are very deeply set and his head is highly domed. It's high and it's in the shape of a dome. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Macavity, there's no one like Macavity, for he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, and when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. So, his coat is dusty from neglect. So, the coat that Macavity wears is not at all clean, it's dusty because he doesn't care about washing it or cleaning it, okay, he just wears it and he just ignores it, okay. His whiskers are uncombed, he doesn't even brush his whiskers, okay, he doesn't groom them. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. So his movements are like that of a snake, it reminds us of a snake, okay, he moves his head from this side to that side like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. And have you seen cats? They look like as though they are sleeping, right? Their eyes are half closed. So the same way when you look at Macavity, you think he is half asleep. But in reality, he is not sleeping. He is wide awake. Macavity, there's no one like Macavity. There's nobody like him. For he is a fiend in feline shape. So what do you mean by a fiend? Fiend is a devil. Okay, he is a devil in feline shape. What is a feline? Feline is nothing but a cat, relating to a cat, okay, cat family. So, he is a devil in the shape of a cat, a monster of depravity. So, he is a monster, you know a monster, right? And he is a monster of depravity, which means he is a monster of corruption, okay, he is morally corrupt. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square. So he looks very common, okay, you can see him everywhere, you can see him in the street or in the town square, everywhere you can see him. But when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. So normally you can see him everywhere, but when there is a crime being committed by him, he is not there, he wonderfully escapes from the scene of crime. Glossary: defy, disobey or resist openly. Scotland Yard, the headquarters of the London Police Force. Flying Squad, a group of police or soldiers ready to move into action quickly. Levitation, floating in the air without support. Fear, devil. Feline, of or relating to a cat. Depravity, moral corruption. Question and answer. Read the first stanza and think. Is Macavity a cat really? If not, who can Macavity be? So, what do you think he is? No, Macavity is not really a cat. Okay, then what is he? Macavity is just a fictional character created by the poet whose actions resemble those of a crooks. Okay, so he was just an imaginary character. Okay, there was no one called Macavity in reality. Okay. And his actions were compared to that of a crook. Who is a crook? A thief. Okay. Complete the following sentences. A master criminal is one who the Scotland Yard is baffled because because Macavity moves much faster than them. So who is a master criminal? A master criminal is one who can defy the law. The Scotland Yard is baffled because whenever they reach the scene of crime, they cannot find Macavity. And then nobody can catch Macavity at the scene of crime because Macavity moves such faster than them. Okay? A cat, I am sure, could walk on a cloud without coming through. Which law is McCavity breaking in the light of the comment above? So we learned that he had powers to levitate, right? So what did we learn? What is the meaning of levitate? The law of gravity, going against the law of gravity, okay? So in the light of the above comment, McCavity is breaking the law of gravity because he is able to rise up without any support, okay? Read stanza 3 and then describe McCavity in 2 or 3 sentences of your own. So, what are the descriptions that we learned? We learned that he's a ginger cat, and then we learned that he was very tall and thin, and his eyes were deeply set, and his eyebrows were deeply lined because of regular thinking about crime, planning about crime, and his head was doomed, and he never bothered to maintain his coat or whiskers. Okay, so let's look at the answer. McCavity is a ginger cat who is very tall and thin with sunken eyes and brow deeply lined with thought. While its head is highly domed, its coat is dusty and whiskers are uncombed. It sways its head from side to side and it is always wide awake when one thinks that it is half asleep. Say false or true for each of the following statements. McCavity is not an ordinary cat. Yeah, true, right? Because he is a criminal. And then McCavity cannot do what a fakir can easily do. It's false, right? He is able to do something more than what a common person can do. McCavity has supernatural powers. Yes, he has, because he is able to defy the law of gravity. McCavity is well dressed, smart and bright. No, he is not at all well dressed because he doesn't care about his dirty coat or his whiskers, okay? And then McCavity is a spy, a trickster and a criminal all rolled in one. Yes, he is like that, okay? He is a master criminal. So let's look at the answer. McCavity is not an ordinary cat. True. McCavity cannot do what a fakir can easily do. False. McCavity has supernatural powers. True. McCavity is well dressed, smart and bright. False. McCavity is a spy, a trickster and a criminal all rolled in one. True. Having read the poem, try to guess whether the poet is fond of cats. If so, why does he call McCavity a fiend and monster? The poet actually admires the cat because he is very fast and he is an expert and he dodges the police. But, however, he is a lawbreaker. So the poet calls him a fiend and monster. Has the poet used exaggeration for special effect? Find a few examples of it and read those lines aloud. So there are some statements, right? So he says that he is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair, and then his power of levitation, and a fiend in feline shape, a master of depravity. So all these things are the statements that shows the exaggerate. We are at the closure of this session. Meet you soon in a fresh one.